Welcome. Unlike traditional vehicles, the Tesla Cybertruck uses an all-electronic parking brake system. This tutorial will show you how to use park hold for everyday parking and the emergency brake in critical situations. This system is built for safety and seamless integration with Cybertruck's electric architecture. Park hold is the Cybertruck's automatic parking brake that engages instantly when you shift the drive stalk to P for park. The system uses the vehicle's regenerative braking and electric motors to securely hold the Cybertruck in place, even on slopes up to 30 degrees. No manual action is required beyond selecting park. It relies on battery-powered actuators in the wheel hubs for instant engagement. To disengage park hold, simply shift the drive stalk out of park. Move it to drive for forward motion or reverse for backing up. The system uses sensors to detect when it's safe to release the brakes. These sensors monitor vehicle stability, incline, and surrounding conditions. This seamless disengagement is part of Tesla's one-pedal driving experience, where the vehicle handles braking and acceleration smoothly without manual intervention. The emergency brake system prioritizes regenerative braking first. This captures energy during braking to recharge the battery efficiently. If regenerative braking alone isn't sufficient, the system applies hydraulic brakes to ensure quick and reliable stops. This system is designed to prevent skidding on slippery surfaces, working in conjunction with the Cybertruck's adaptive air suspension for optimal traction and stability. There is no manual foot-operated emergency brake in the Cybertruck, as the electronic system handles all emergency braking needs. The Cybertruck's parking brake system includes multiple safety features and fail-safes to ensure reliability. The parking brake system is designed to be fail-safe, incorporating redundant safety measures to prevent accidents. In the rare event of battery depletion, a mechanical backup system automatically engages to maintain the parking brake function. Always park the Cybertruck on a level surface, particularly when using manual overrides, to prevent any unintended movement. According to Tesla's data, the park hold system engages successfully in 99.8% of shifts, demonstrating high reliability. These safety features ensure the Cybertruck's parking brake system remains secure and dependable in all conditions. In November 2025, a Cybertruck owner faced a challenging situation on a snowy 25% incline in Colorado. When the driver shifted the drive stalk to park hold automatically engaged using the vehicle's electronic systems. This prevented any potential rollback, holding the truck securely in place and allowing the driver to safely exit the vehicle. The system demonstrated its effectiveness in extreme weather conditions, a key advantage of the Cybertruck's design. In another real-world instance, during autopilot testing in Nevada in 2024, a Cybertruck prototype encountered a potential runaway scenario due to an autopilot glitch. The emergency brake system activated immediately, engaging in under half a second. This rapid response utilized the vehicle's regenerative braking and electronic actuators to stop the truck safely without causing skidding, even on varied terrain. Tesla engineers later analyzed the incident, confirming the system's superior performance compared to traditional mechanical brakes. Experts praise the Cybertruck's electronic parking brake for eliminating the guesswork of traditional levers, making it safer for everyday and extreme use. Tesla plans to integrate parking brakes with full self-driving software, enabling autonomous park hold in valet and automated parking scenarios. Electronic parking systems are now standard in over 60% of new EVs worldwide, reflecting the industry's shift toward electrification and autonomy.